What's up, y'all? Dominoes 7 here. I'd like to welcome y'all to my show here, okay? So today, I'm going to be unboxing my Nintendo Switch, okay? In this GameStop bag right here. Y'all see that? Dominoes 7 got a 64. The psych, I meant to say, Dominoes 7 got a Nintendo Switch. Got a Switch for sure. I got a Switch. I got a Switch. 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 Alright? So let's do the unboxing right now. Let's do the unboxing right now. Okay? So here we go. If the damn camera stays still, yeah. Okay, check this out. Alright. If now a crazy butt is watching, let's open like this. Alright. Alright. Y'all can look at this. And look at the side right here. Alright, if y'all look at that. Now look at this. But I know I'm not gonna play this on the downstairs on the downstairs TV. Okay. So what's this? I don't know what the hell this is though. Yeah, monitor. So it's my first time ever using or playing a Nintendo Switch. The game card. This say the game card right here. Y'all can see it though. I guess this is where I put the game at. Yep. And I don't know what the hell these is. You know. Alright. Okay, and right here. Okay, let's see how this will work. Okay. So as some of y'all know, I'm new at this. Okay. So I'm new at this. Okay. Okay, put that aside carefully. Oh, and look at all the gadgets in here. Okay, gadgets. Whatever you call this. Okay. Oh, and let y'all know, I wish my mom was still alive. You know. And she rest in peace. Okay, put this aside. Okay, look at the wires here. I'll find out how everything goes a little later. Okay, this the HDMI cable here. Y'all see? I don't know what the hell this for. But I'll soon find out what the hell is for. Okay, we got the instructions right here. If these are the instructions, okay. I always keep instructions though. This for some of you in the future that just in case Nintendo Switch play out just like the Nintendo Wii. Okay. My grandmother not here no more either, you know. For some of you viewers that been watching me for lately, or y'all know me personally, okay. I want to just go like this. I think I probably got it backwards. Oh well, I'll find out. Okay. And plus we got the adapter here. Okay. The adapter right here. And I say Nintendo, if y'all can see it. There you go. Alright. Well, another part to this, same thing as this or whatever, okay, and that's my unboxing right here. Okay, let me put the camera back here, and that's my unboxing of the Nintendo Switch, okay, so I haven't figured it out yet, so I'm going to go in the next room and figure it out myself, okay, so thank y'all for watching this episode, okay? So I hope y'all enjoy.